Example number 4. I would like the equation for this line in standard form. What? It's super easy. We're going to start with something we already know. We know slope-intercept form of the line, y equals mx plus b. We also know that b is the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept of this particular line? -2. So I'm going to replace the b with a -2. Next, I need the slope. So I'm going to go figure out the slope of this line. I'm going to pick any point on the line, and I'm going to go to some other point on the line, and I'm going to count how far I have to rise or fall, and how far I have to run left or right in order to make that happen. I'm going to pick this point and this point. So I need to go up 2, and 1, 2, 3, to the right 3. Up and to the right is a positive slope. I went 2 up, 3 to the right. There's my slope. And now this thing is exactly like all the others that we've done so far. It's in slope-intercept form. I can convert it to standard form. I'm going to move my x term over by subtracting it from both sides. I have a fraction. I need to get rid of fractions. How do I get rid of fractions? Multiply by the denominator. In this case, the denominator is 3. So I'm going to multiply everything on this side by 3 and everything on this side by 3. When I multiply a fraction by its denominator, the denominators cancel, leaving me with just the top number. And I'm going to multiply this by 3 also. -2 times 3 is -6. And then I'm going to look at my x term and go, is that positive or negative? Negative. So I've got to get rid of the negative. I'm going to multiply everything by a -1. You're going to get a -1, and you're going to get a -1, and you're going to get a -1. -1 times -2 is 2. -1 times +3 is -3. -6 times -1 is +6. I now have the equation of that line in standard form.